Welcome back, everyone, to Just Because. My name's Taro Booth. I thought I'd quickly share this morning. I'm installing these little pheromone strips on the top bars of each of these frames. And we're going to install these later today in a bunch of new two-frame mating nucs that we're going to set up. We're going to split out a colony that's relatively aggressive. I was planning to requeen it sometime soon. I found queen cells in it the last couple of days, so they're getting ready to swarm anyways, so the timing's just perfect. I'm just getting these ready, and later today we're going to go split that colony down into a whole bunch of two-frame mating nucs, and then in the next few days we'll give them queen cells. But in the meantime, these pheromone strips will hold them in nice, keep them busy. They'll forage just like they think they're queen right, and we won't miss a beat. So I thought I'd just show you what I do. I just use my little pneumatic stapler. It's a T50 stapler, and I'm using a 5/16 staple and just sticking it right into the side of the top bar. They're easy to remove later in the season, because I'll reuse these pheromone strips next year. They seem to last and do really well, at least for 2 seasons. Haven't tried it beyond that, but we'll see. We're doing up 20 of these frames because we're hoping to do about 20 splits later today. And there'll be 2 frame splits with one of these frames. I'm going to put some black plastic foundation in here. I'll have one of the strips in here, and then the other one will have it'll be a frame of honey or pollen or just some stores with some open area for a new queen to start laying in. So thanks for watching Just Because. We'll check back with you again later today. For more videos that provide you with a simplified, practical approach to beekeeping, be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell notification icon so you won't miss a thing.